Hello everyone. So now I'm going to explain the activity third for 3 to 5 year children's paper aeroplane challenge. So for that we are going to have a paper aeroplane challenge. I will show the children how to fold a simple paper aeroplane. Let's start. So I'm going to fold this paper into a half like this way, and I'm going to make that this one, and then I'm going to do like this and like this. That one is very simple activity for 3 to 5 year children. So with that, children will, now there is one simple aeroplane is in the shape of aeroplane like this. Sure. So I will say, let's see how the aeroplane flies. Aeroplanes can fly. Can you make your flies further by challenging that design? So we will test out different designs and see which one flies the fastest. So I have 2 of the aeroplanes. Let's see which one flies fast. So I'm going to try that activity with the 3 to 5 year children. Oh my god. Maybe I make it again. Let's see which one flies higher. So with that, so how I can show you like this. That one goes a little bit of straight, and with that one goes good. That one flies very well. So with that activity, so the Piaget's pre-operational stage asks children to engage in a symbolic play and making the aeroplanes and allow them to experiment with the design and cause and effect. And the Bernard's discovery learning theory, children learn through active experimentation and trial and error. Firstly, I make it, the first one, when I make it, is not make it properly. It's not fly well very fast, because there is some of the problems in that, like problems like the folding of the paper, but the second one flies very fast. So that shows the problem solving skills as well, when children get some errors and they can be improve in the next time. So with that, cognitive development, I like understanding aerodynamic design skills and designs of the principle, and also the problem solving skills, like experimentally with different designs to improve performance. Also, it shows the creativity, that encouraging innovative thinking and design exploration. Thank you.